Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy whipped peanut butter dessert recipe that makes a creamy, dreamy mousse that peanut butter fans will absolutely love. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions, and lots of ideas for variations and toppings, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this easy whipped peanut butter dessert recipe a try. So let me show you how to make it. So briefly we'll talk about the ingredients that you'll need. We've got peanut butter. I'm using smooth peanut butter. You can use chunky peanut butter if you want. You can even use almond butter, hazelnut butter, any nut butter you like. I've got stevia to sweeten, so it'll be sugar-free, but you could use regular sugar, you could use honey, maple syrup, any sweetness you like. And I've got some cream. Just use any cream that you can whip up into whipped cream, so whether that's heavy, double whipping, this is just fresh Irish cream and it whips up beautifully. So let me show you how to make it. Start by pouring a cup of cream out into a bowl, and then give it a whisk and whip until it's just starting to come together to whipped cream. And you can see it's kind of just starting to thicken up. We don't want to over whip it, and we're still going to whip in the peanut butter and the stevia, starting with our peanut butter. Now it's really up to you. You can go a quarter of a cup, you can go half a cup. I'm just going 2 really massive tablespoons full. And then 2 tablespoons of stevia. And we'll just whisk it until it's smooth and creamy. That's perfect. Now what I suggest is having a tiny sneaky little taste, and make sure that you're happy with the peanut butter to sweetness ratio, because now you can just add a little more peanut butter or a little more stevia or your sweetness of choice until it is the perfect sweetness and the perfect balance of peanut butter and goodness for you. And then we'll move it out into a bowl. So I've got a pretty bowl here for presentation, and now I'll just move the mousse in. And there you go. That is absolutely perfect, overflowing peanut butter mousse. Now you can enjoy it actually straight away like this, or you could just pop it in the fridge to thicken up, and there's loads of options for toppings as well. So yeah, you can enjoy it plain. You can pop some peanuts on top, some chocolate chips, scrape some chocolates over, but I just like it nice and plain and simple, just like that. So that is the video for today for how to make this easy whipped peanut butter dessert recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Let me know if you give this lovely dessert a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.